Welcome to noteSHARE. noteSHARE is a student-oriented app with the intention of helping students collaborate on classes with their notes. It is to promote a cohesiveness among students and help prevent students from falling behind in their classes. There is a point system to help ensure that there is a collaboration instead of students just copying off of other students. It's expected that the students using the app will do so with respect and consideration to their peers. All in all, noteSHARE is an app for students who wish to succeed in their classes while collaborating amongst their peers. Here is the login page. When you first go onto the web address, it'll bring you here, and I'm going to walk you through the application. Since we don't have a login right now, we're going to have to create the account. So at the bottom, we're going to be clicking on the Create Account button. Here, we're going to be required to fill in some information in order to create the account. We're going to need a first name, and then we're also going to need a last name, and then we're going to need to put in our email address. Now, if we tried to put in something that wasn't an OSU address, it'll tell us that it's an invalid email address. So then we're going to go back and put in an okstate.edu address, and it'll accept the email address. And then we will create our password. And here we're just going to confirm that we are an actual user creating the account. And once we verify that, we are going to create the account. Once the user logs in or once they create an account, they will be brought here to their personalized dashboard. Here it's going to have all the information pertaining to them. So it's going to show them how many notes that they have uploaded and how many notes they have downloaded and how many share points that they have. The way the SharePoint system works is once they sign up for an account, they get 10 share points. Every time they upload notes, they get 10 share points. And every time they download notes, it costs them 5 share points. Here on this page, at the bottom, we have the option here to browse the shared notes, and down here is to upload notes. The account settings button here, when we click on it, will show the account info. So here it shows their first and last name, their email address, and what their password currently is. And if we wanted to change the password, we would just type in the new password that we want. And then it will change the password. Up at the top is the drop-down menu. So when you click on here, you get to see all the menu choices there are. So when we click on this, it'll bring us back to the dashboard. And there are also the options to browse the notes, upload the notes, and go to account settings, which is also the exact same as this link here. And there's also the log off button. So if we want to upload notes for other people to view, we'll click here at Upload Notes. And it's going to have us select a subject that we want it to be categorized under. So the options now that we have are accounting, economics, finance, marketing, and MSIS. So let's choose economics for now, and then we'll click next. And then here we will choose the file that we want to upload. And then once we have chosen our file, we'll upload the file here. So now that we have uploaded some notes, let's go look at some notes for us to download. So we're going to go back up to the menu, and we're going to click on Browse Notes. And here it's going to have all of the notes that we can download. And it's going to be sorted by the subject. So we have accounting, MSIS, and finance, and then it has the title of the note. So this is the status report, and then this here is a picture of some notes. So we'll just select the one that we want, and then we'll click download. So now that we have our notes downloaded, we're going to be done with the app. So we'll go back up here to the top in the menu bar, and then we'll just click here to log off. And then we're back to the original page that we were at. So that was just a quick walkthrough of the noteSHARE app. It's a very interesting app that has a unique reward system. It has login validation, the ability to upload and download notes. There's an account creation only for okstate.edu emails. It has a personalized dashboard for an overview of account details and has the ability to select camera or a browse file system for uploading notes.